Hi and hello world. Welcome to the Skills Station. I'm Jennifer. Today we are going to look at surprising benefits of dark chocolate. Not all chocolates are beneficial to health. Today we are talking only about dark chocolate with no added sugar or with sugar in very minimal amount. Here are some main benefits of eating dark chocolate. Number 1. Consumption of dark chocolate prevents the chances of stroke. Number 2. The flavonols found in dark chocolate stimulates the production of nitric oxide and helps to reduce blood pressure. Number 3. Dark chocolate is filled with many healthy nutrients, so it helps in leading a healthy life. Number 4. Dark chocolate has been proven to reduce bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. Number 5. The flavonoids in dark chocolate helps to prevent dehydration and discomfort. Number 6. Consumption of dark chocolate increases the flow of blood to the brain and results in better functioning of brain. The seventh and the last benefit is dark chocolate helps to reduce depression and ultimately elevate the mood by increasing the production of endorphins and serotonin in human brain after consuming. Thanks for watching. If you really like my channel and looking forward to learn many things, make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. And also don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. I'll meet you all again in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.